up, everybody? Thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. Hey, I'm Brent. Today it's an 09 GT500. We installed those sweet LOPE Detroit rocker camshafts. The sweet camshaft setup, I will put a link in the description so you can just click on it, read a lot more about them, check the pricing. We're going to watch a dyno pull. But what we have is 09 GT500. It already had some upgrades. So we got the TVS 2.3 liter supercharger. We're going to talk more about that. We're running 91 octane today. There's a couple other small mods on this 500 right here. We're targeting over 600 roll horsepower. I have Doug with me. We're gonna go check it out. But hey, if you haven't, subscribe and notify. Doug, follow me. All right, the list of mods. So besides the rocker cams, we have the TVS 2.3 liter supercharger. This was factory on the 1314 GT500. Doug, come down, take a look. It's custom painted. I think it looks fantastic. I really wish you could still buy these from Ford Racing, but you can't. Sometimes you can find them on eBay if someone's taken one off and put on maybe like a big Whipple or a VMP. But we have the twin 65 throttle body, the JLT air induction system, and he brought in with him when it came in for the cams a set of JBA shorty headers, so we installed those. I mean, I'm a long tube guy, but he brought the JBA shorties, so we put those on. Then we have the LOPEY rockers, 95-pound fuel injectors, Kenny Ball boost the pump. There's a couple other mods on this stuff, like, you know, small ones, but we have, these are, you know, say JLT oil separators, passenger and driver. But now, if you didn't know, this company is called J&L. So I'd say about 3 months ago, roughly, or sometime now in 2022, JLT, which has been an old time company, been around for a long time, they sold their air induction line to S&B. So you can still buy like the JLT air intake we have on this car right now. But they retain the oil separator line. They're awesome. Plug and play. We have them for all year Mustangs, but it's called J&L. So if you get confused when you're looking for these JLT oil separators that you find in old videos, they're actually called J&L now. But enough of that. Oil pump gears we installed. Rocker cams, TVS 2.3, twin 65, JLT, and that's about it. Check out this dyno pull. All right, before we look at the numbers, remember 91 octane. So a little restricted on octane there, but DynoJet, SAE, Doug, take a look. 644 roll horsepower, peaking at 6,000 RPM. Torque comes in 623, peaking at 4,000 RPM. Awesome numbers off 91. I think if you ran 93, you'd be looking at, with the 2.3 liter TVS and the rocker cams, probably on 93, 30 more real horsepower. And then of course, long tube headers, we had that, maybe another 20. But cool, we have awesome GT500 right here. Super clean car, I love it. And you know, it's really easy to make a lot of power on these cars, whether you do like the blower upgrade or the camshafts. You can do those cams, the LOPE, without having to upgrade the supercharger. This one just already had it, but that's it. So hey, if you have any questions, leave a comment. What's this cost to get installed? You email quote@brenspeed.com, and I'll put links in the description of, you know, the cams, maybe some other upgrades. Maybe you don't want all this and you just want like a pulley and add some power to your stock GT500. We have those packages as well, so I'll put that link in there. You can click on it. We can ship it right to your door. Thanks for watching.